The XC carbon wave boom is the best carbon wave boom we've ever designed. It's full of tons of premium features. It's a fully carbon boom. Every single material is of the highest grade. It gives you the lightest and stiffest connection to the sail and the most knife-like precision that you can possibly get out of a wave boom. I've personally been using this boom for about 17 years in the various generations of the boom, and I can honestly say I've never ever broken one single XC wave boom. I put them through their tests as well, but it's just an amazingly strong boom. It's a really great investment. You can buy one of these booms and you can use the same boom for years and years and years, and the premium components of the boom are never going to fail you. The highlights of this boom, first of all, the XC carbon wave tail. This is an amazing monocoque carbon piece of engineering, and it's got a beautiful stainless steel little tongue and cleat in here, and it comes with Dyneema rope, so everything is premium about it. The 140 comes in a slightly narrower version, but it's still a wide tail, and the 160 is even wider, and that comes in line with the NeilPryde boom curve. We've really put a lot of time and energy into developing a boom curve and tail ends that let the sail perform at their maximum performance. They let the sail keep their profile without having to touch the boom and fold over the boom. So the wing-like shape of the sail remains as Robert designed them all the way through the sizing of the boom. That's why the 140 has a slightly narrower tail end, and the 160 for bigger sails has a slightly wider tail end. The V shape of this VT joint means that no matter what diameter mast you have, the mast is going to fit snugly into the front of the boom, and it means that you're going to have a connection all the way from the bottom to the very top of this joint. That's why the connection to the mast feels so stiff, and it also means that you won't get any point loading, so it's not going to endanger your mast. It has a really ergonomic lever here that's really easy to open and close. And also the fact that the VT joint makes such a solid joint against the mast means that when you open it, it's also very loose, and it's really easy to adjust the boom up and down. You can even do it while you're sailing. The loop to hook system was originally created for this carbon boom, and on this boom it comes in stainless steel, and it's a very tight integrated little system here, and it's a super easy way to just loop the rope through your sail, hook it over the tongue here, and pull it to have the correct tension and get on the water as fast as possible. The XC carbon booms come with this Dyneema rope at the tail end and at the front end. It's an extremely premium rope, and you can pretty much guarantee you're not going to break this for years. For the adjustment on the boom, we have the twin pin trim lock system. It's really easy to open it up like that just with one finger. It's got 2 pins which go into the tail end, and that means that it makes a really secure connection with the tail end. So once you've adjusted it and you've snapped it into place, you get onto the water and you don't feel any movement in the boom and the tail end at all. This EVA grip was developed for the XC boom. It's our premium grip, and we have it across all of our booms. But on the carbon XC version, the diameter of the boom is 27mm, so it's just slightly thinner, and it means you can sail for even longer and grip the boom even tighter. We have this embossed texture on the front of it to let you grip it really tight, and we also make a special effort to glue the grip right along the bottom of the boom arms all the way down, so that you're not going to have a danger of pulling the grip off with your fingers when you're sailing a lot. We have these white dots on here to indicate the harness line position, so once you've been sailing on the boom once and you've put the harness lines in the right place, you can just count how many dots in from the end you use them, and then it's easy to put the harness lines on in the right place again.